Hello and welcome to Initial Solution. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to add a font to Microsoft Publisher. So let's have a look now. I start by finding and downloading the fonts you want to add. There are various websites where you can download free fonts. After downloading, install the fonts on your computer. To install fonts on Windows, right-click on it, then select Install for all users. After installing the fonts, close and reopen Microsoft Publisher to refresh the font list. Your newly installed fonts should now be available in the Text Tools Font Selection drop-down. To access the added fonts, click here and scroll down to find your added font. And that's how you add fonts to Microsoft Publisher. So that's it. If you found this tutorial helpful, give us a like and subscribe to our channel for more interesting videos. This video is sponsored by Zerosoft. Zerosoft offers graphic design, UI UX design, digital marketing and web development. Elevate your brand with Zerosoft today. For more details, check the description box.